Ayubowan. I'm Umesha Vitanachi. I am an Ayurvedic doctor graduated from University of Harania. Today I am representing Ceylon Holistic Treatments. Ceylon Holistic is a digital platform for integrative medical systems in Sri Lanka with a mission to make a better impact on health and well-being through integrative medical systems while adapting to current health situations in the world, combining with modern technology. Ceylon Holistic, we care about the holistic health, physical, psychological, spiritual, and social well-being, while considering each and every individual unique with their constitution. So, we are hoping to help the youth of our country adapt into healthier lifestyles, which in long term will make our community healthier. As a digital platform, Ceylon Holistic provides you 24/7 online platform for consultation, secured digital space to maintain each patient's treatment protocols, telemed technology facility to conduct hassle-free consultations, the expanded patient-doctor connection despite of the distance from local to international, online payment methods to easily make the payments. And also, we arrange delivering the medicine prescribed by the doctors, ensuring the safety of both doctor and the patient. And also, we provide space for publishing professional articles and researchers, which will be a virtual space for sharing knowledge and awareness. And also, we organize awareness programs, especially related to the pandemic and non-communicable diseases and also women's health. And all the medical professionals are welcome to join with Ceylon Holistic, working in government sector, private sector, tourism, Ayurvedic doctors, Unani, Siddha, traditional doctors, allopathic doctors, nutritionists, dietitians, counselors, and all other medical professionals. We have been working on health related projects for a long time, and in 2019 we got the opportunity to join the Hackaday program of UNDP Sri Lanka. From there our journey was accelerated, and in 2020 we got into the Hackaday Enterprise Support Program. With all the invaluable guidance and support, we were able to execute our idea. From the very beginning, we were selflessly supported by skilled mentors and coaches. They have been sharing their knowledge and experiences and dedicating their time for us, guiding us to become who we are today. And curve up team, including Mr. Fawaz, Amra, and Karindra, have always been supporting us throughout the ESP program, encouraging us to move forward as entrepreneurs. And meanwhile, the Youth Collab programs, including Springboard Plus program, gave us the opportunity to engage in the international programs to strengthen our journey ahead. So we are very grateful and thankful to UNDP Sri Lanka Hackadev team, Curve Up team, and Youth Collab for the immense support they have been given us. After a very tough entrepreneurial journey of facing lot of challenges, we are glad that we are able to make a good social impact. We are expecting to combine the knowledge of comparative medical systems with modern technology without causing any harm to its origins, and from that we expect to make the knowledge more accessible for the modern society. In the future, we are hoping to expand into international market by providing the platform for other holistic medical professionals around the world to get on board, and giving the opportunity for Sri Lankans to experience the variety of holistic medical treatments. And also by providing the platform for the foreigners to reach out to Sri Lankan medical professionals who are working with Ceylon Holistic Treatment. Finally, I would like to invite all of you to join with Ceylon Holistic, and as a message to young entrepreneurs out there, if you are a youth having out of box thinking mindset, identify your unique skills, set goals, and work hard towards them. Learn from your failures and be strong with challenges and criticism. Take control and practice your mindset, and surround yourself with positive people. Of course, UNDP Hackaday and the Curve Up are the best places where you can strengthen your journey.